Well, we are cutting across to Vishwa. Well, right now we are cutting across to a news that's just coming in that seems to suggest that more UP ATS raids are underway in Lucknow. Now, this comes, of course, after two people were arrested in Kakori in Lucknow a while ago. Thereafter, there has been a sustained interrogation. They were taken into police custody and are being questioned even as we speak. Now, what we understand at this moment is that there has been another crackdown. There are more raids that are currently underway in Lucknow. The ATS is also now on the hunt for Shakil. Now, this person who goes by the name of Shakil is a close associate of one of the arrested terrorists. Earlier, what we did know was the fact that even as the UP government is trying, UP ATS, I beg your pardon, is trying to connect the dots to the larger terror conspiracy that has been hatched, there are more revelations that are coming out. Now, one of them, of course, has been that there has been sustained online program of radicalizing the youth in Uttar Pradesh. Let's go across to Sumi, who is joining me from Lucknow for more on this. Now, Sumi, there are two parts to this. As you know, more details are now being made available. One is that there seems to be a larger module at play in Lucknow, and we are told that currently there are more raids on. And the other part, of course, is the conspiracy.
Absolutely, as we are getting
on the second day of the police custody of Minhaj Ahmed and Masiruddin, we are, according to the inputs that I have received from the highly placed sources within the organization, is that UP ATS raids are underway in Lucknow in search of Shakil, who was the electric e-rickshaw, basically the electric rickshaw driver, and in fact that particular battery was also being used in the cooker set that was a part of the entire series of bombings. And what we're also getting to know that Shakil is also one of the aides of the people who have already been arrested by the ATS, and the ATS has now reached the old Lucknow, which is the KGNU part of the old Lucknow. So these are the inputs that we have just now received from the ATS, who are now interrogating, and in fact they are 2 days into the interrogation of Minhaj Ahmed and Masiruddin. And in fact, let's just put things into perspective for our viewers here, that they have already done a recce of significant places such as Ayodhya Temple, Kashi Temple, and Shri Krishna Janmasthanam also in Lucknow. And in fact, as we are getting to know more about the conspiracy being hatched by the Al-Qaeda operatives here in India, this is getting more shocking, because more and more facts are constantly being unearthed by the ATS. And in fact, the recce had already begun in the month of January, and they were also planning a series of bombings in the month of May. But because of the entire pandemic and how the country was reeling under the pandemic, and there was a lockdown in place, that's why the series of bombing got delayed in the entire process.
But the bombing got delayed in the entire process. But now they picked up the planning from where it was, and what we're also getting to know that the youth were also being given 5 chapters, and they had to fulfill a form of test. They had to go through a test, and only after then they were recruited. And this test certainly was part of the loyalty test, that they had to prove that they were certainly loyal to the entire mission. And let me just make the audience understand more about what is going on. There had been various bombings that had been planned at very significant areas. So certainly that's what we're getting to know from ATS. So I'm frame mein hu abhi.
All right, Sumi bringing us all those details from Lucknow. Thank you for joining us.